Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English Vocab. Today we are going to present you 5 common English words with their meanings to ameliorate your vocabulary knowledge.
To begin with, let's start with the vocabulary test. Please pick the correct ones similar in meaning to the given word. Remember, you have only 10 seconds for each question. So, let's get going. Did you get your all answers correct? Oh yes, congratulations! Now, then no worries, we are here to support you. Let's dive into our first word.
Expedite. Expedite means to make something happen more quickly, accelerate. We will see a few examples to understand the word expedite better.
Example 1. There are more chances of accidents if drivers expedite the speed of the vehicles. Example 2. One needs to avoid any distracting media around them if they want to expedite their walking performance.
Example 3. Recently, the World Health Organization has been trying one way or another to expedite the end of the pandemic by developing a vaccine. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word expedite are speed up, hasten, brisk, urge, forward, facilitate, quicken, stimulate, rush, assist, fast track.
The next word of the day is
Legion. Legion means a vast number of people or things. We will see a few examples to understand the word legion better.
Example 1. When the actor announced his marriage date on social media, legions of reporters surrounded his house in the very next hour to know the detail about his bride. Example 2. Legions of photographs from ancient history in the wall of Rosanna so that she might have a liking towards art, history and photography.
Example 3. Legions of people attended the live match to cheer their favorite team. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word legion are multitude, said Lord, throng, myriad, herd, drove, mass, swarm, slew, host.
The next word of the day is
Gratuitous. Gratuitous means not called for by the circumstances, not necessary, appropriate or justified, unwarranted. We will see a few examples to understand the word gratuitous better.
Example 1. I do not allow my children to watch the movies showing gratuitous offensive scenes because it may lead them to learn abusive things. Example 2. After a massive insult in front of his colleague, beating him again was gratuitous violence.
Example 3. Laughing and saying humorous jokes at the funeral is a gratuitous act. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word gratuitous are superfluous, redundant, unprovoked, wanton, brutish, unmerited, groundless, causeless, uncalled for.
The next word of the day is
Shambolic. Shambolic means very disorganized, messy or confused. We'll see a few examples to understand the word shambolic better.
Example 1. My little cousin is good at turning the clean house into a shambolic place. Example 2. It seems easy to start from the beginning than organizing this shambolic data.
Example 3. The shambolic arrangement of the program made guests leave the program early. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word shambolic are muddled, chaotic, anarchic, mess up, topsy-turvy, scramble, scrappy, haphazard, at 6 and 7s, in total disarray, disordered.
The next word of the day is
Collate. Collate means to collect and combine text, information or data in the correct order. We'll see an example to understand the word collate better.
Example 1. We managed to collate different aspects of development into different subheadings so that they seem easy to deal with. Example 2. The data collected by the business agency focuses more on the profit rather than the overall status of the company.
Example 3. John does the task of collating the materials for the department store. Some of the terms referring to similar meaning to the word collate are gather, convene, assemble, congregate, muster, foregather, systematize, categorize.
Now it's your turn to make the sentence of your own in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching.